Does that complete your order?
I'm just wondering where you at. Just thought I'd call and wish you good night. I left my key under the mat. I don't get anything done, you're stuck on my mind. I keep on missing your touch, missing your vibe. This feeling might go when I said what we had. Won't you come on over? Don't you miss me too? Give it all you got, babe. Give it all you got, baby. I'd rather try than lose.
What's up, guys? So right now we are about to go to Ripley's 5D theater. It's a movie simulator where like you get in chairs and like
You wear like the goggles and it feels like you're really there.
Well, you could have started with welcome to the vlog, but
welcome to the vlog, everyone.
Gatlinburg, going to Ripley's 5D.
They got 70 one too.
A 70.
We'll catch y'all inside.
There's a really long line and it's really hot. Here's the line.
Keep dancing in the moonlight. The
He already died.
We have made it inside after a long wait, and I'm about tripped. Tiffany and Charles in here arguing. Take your mask off, say something.
We're all
Yeah. Look, I'm looking at y'all right now, and Tegan's like nowhere in sight. Tegan, say something to the camera.
Thinking you gotta hang on.
It's kind of loud in here, so I'm just going to record and let y'all see the rest of what happens. Shout out to our friends we met on this trip down there.
As far forward as possible. Okay.
Tegan.
For your safety, please remain seated throughout this entire ride. And please do not try to use camcorders or...
What's Tegan doing? Is he okay?
Seatbelts are still fastened. And here we go.
Part one complete. What y'all think?
That was like so realistic. Like it literally was like the dinosaur was like right here.
Where's your glasses at? Time for part two, I guess.
3, 2, 1.
I think the witch has turned us into monsters.
It feels real, don't it? Oh, shit. Man, we have some really real snow action going on. Yeah. Trying with some real snow hit you.
Now it feels much more real.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, so we just got out of the Ripley's 5D
5D.
movie theater.
Made it back to the car. Yeah, I was about
Yeah,
to
we
start.
waited forever.
Sure, get on your phone.
And I
What do you
walked
think, about
out
30 minutes?
and
Wait,
forgot
about
to
30
return my glasses, but I don't think they'll be missing these.
Look.
You got yours too?
Taking this too.
Tegan, you got yours too?
They even said you could throw them away, but I didn't think about it.
They said exit to the right and put your glasses in the bin. Didn't they,
That was
Charlie?
really fun. What y'all think about it?
But
I liked it. It was fun.
I actually listened, but okay, guys. So it was so realistic.
Of course, everything always has the downside. So what's the bad?
The weight.
The wait, that's
The
the only
wait,
thing.
but like
The one.
the line, but like it's worth your time.
If you go in there, you don't gotta wait. You just go in there, hop right in.
Probably not on the
It's worth
weekend.
it. If you gotta wait, you know what I'm saying? There's like a long line and you might have to wait an hour or so. Then you might be let down a little bit because it's really not that long.
You're literally just waiting for people to finish the ride, and then they
Right.
go and clean the seats.
If you could get in there in a timely manner, I definitely recommend it.
So for one, where like it was like the roller coaster thing, I actually had to take my glasses off.
I thought the
think?
second one was more realistic.
And
What y'all
there's
think about the
spiders.
snow coming down?
That was so cool.
It made me feel more realistic. It was cold.
The second one, like the roller coaster, I thought that one felt really real, like you were actually there.
Yeah.
The first one was good, but the second one was better.
Like I said, it's fun, but you know, if there's a super long line, you might want to wait and come back whenever it's not so packed.
Tegan's doing
You
tie dye
definitely
on
like
my
it.
ducky.
All right, what we get into next?
I'm about to go get some funnel cakes, I think.
Firehouse
Get some
subs.
food.
We shall see. It's another busy weekend in Gatlinburg. There's Corvettes everywhere. There's two right there. I think there's some kind of Corvette, like car show / car meet going on. We've seen hundreds of Corvettes down here.
We came last time they did it.
Yep.
That girl, that couple, which is, you know,
So we just
popped
swear.
up.
What, Tegan? All right, let's see. Let's see what this funnel cake place has going on.
What are you playing?
Here to get a funnel cake. Try what kind of funnel cake.
I'm getting a plane. Okay. Mama. Two.
Get a plane. They got all kinds of funnel cakes all on plane. And what are you out here in front of this funnel cake place doing?
Well, I'm doing TikTok.
What's TikTok? I never heard of it.
Here's TikTok.
Man, I'm kidding.
Oh, go follow my TikTok. There it
Everybody's
is.
looking at you.
Huh?
Follow TikTok. Everybody's looking at you. What do you think? Say, sissy, quit doing TikTok.
They quit doing.
Well, I'm about to do one right now.
Say, sissy, you know better.
You know what? Don't
There you go. Whoop her. Whoop her, Tegan.
Ow!
Whoop her, Tegan.
Oh, really? Stop.
Say, you know better. We're gonna go to Firehouse Subs, but that closes at, what was it, 9? What time is it right now?
It's 10:06.
So we're gonna go to Firehouse Subs. It closes at 10, so back to the drawing board. Let's get this funnel cake. We got the goodies, y'all.
Start starting to melt.
Who's getting the first bite?
Me.
I
Start
called
starting
it.
to melt.
I called it first.
I stayed in line. I'm going to get the spot.
Bye, Daddy.
Whoever puts it in their mouth first gets the first bite. Don't be digging all hard.
Traylon, be careful. Traylon, you're getting the whole thing.
Quit telling my name. I'm getting the second.
Oh, she's good.
I want
What, custody?
I want bite.
Oh my god.
I'll leave it in there too.
No, you're not leaving this in here.
Yeah, you are.
Bye, Daddy.
No, you leaving taking out. Get taking bite, child.
Here, you want a bite?
Oh, let me get a story. I didn't even got a story.
I'm gonna give you a bite. It's really, really good.
Look, they're probably in there like, yeah, look at him right there tearing my food up.
Probably.
I made.
Look at that little boy on that woman.
This is delicious.
Oh yeah, these are great. We'll get another one tomorrow.
Yeah, definitely. And this
Freaking $10.
this same one.
Yeah. Here's the aftermath, in case anybody's wondering. If you look closely, you can see the dust settling and like
Look at the phone.
confectionery sugar blowing around the car.
Look at the phone.
If I didn't have on white pants, you would definitely see some sugar on my pants right now.
Try to look.
Tegan and Tron's been fighting. All I see is dust flying, confectionery sugar coming out of Tron's ears,
Look at the last spot. Look.
nostrils flaring.
Look at your finger. There's
Curl
powdered
it.
sugar all over.
There's sugar all over this lens. Looks like I've been baking my whole life.
Well, I'm ready. Wrap it up.
Your DG home wipes.
Shut up.
We had to pull the plate away from Trailer. I think she was trying to eat through the plate. Didn't realize it was all gone. 2 thumbs up on, what's it called?
Funnel Cake Factory.
Funnel Cake Factory, Pigeon Forge.
We will guarantee
We'll be back
here
tomorrow.
We'll be back one day soon, aka tomorrow when we wake up.
Okay, try and tell the video what we got.
We got some pizza.
What's on it?
Pepper,
Even know.
mushrooms, sausages, and pepperoni.
I like
and cheese.
macaroon. I like macaroon.
Yeah, mashed mushrooms.
Yeah, I do like macaroon.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. And ooh, I was done feeling hopeless, screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out.
What do you think about the view? You like the water, Tegan? She's over there. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for our next video.
Catch y'all on the next one. Carl, read up quick.
Bye, guys.
Heart and